Hey foodies, I want to show you how to make baguettes. They're quite intimidating to think about, but they're really easy to make. In fact, they're so easy, I'm going to show you how to make them 2 ways. And the first way, we're going to start with some psyllium fiber and some tepid water. I'm just going to get that in there and sitting and doing its thing. And while it's doing its thing, I'm going to mix my salt in with my flour, my sugar in there, and the sugar is for the yeast. The yeast needs some food to eat, and sugar is the best food for that. And I'm going to give that a little mix up. And the psyllium has almost done all of its work. I'm wanting it to create a bit of a gel. So the psyllium is gelled up a little bit. You can see as I'm moving it, it's actually like a little bit jelly-like, which is exactly what you want. Now I want to add my flour mix in there. I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, and that helps with rising things up, and the oil. And then I'm going to put my paddle on, and I'm going to mix it up. I beat that on high for a good 60 seconds. And I've got a baguette pan here. And if you're looking for a baguette pan or the recipe, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. And you'll have all the information there of where to get the pans and the recipes. There we go. So I'm going to scrape my paddle off just like that. Just set that paddle aside because I'm going to use it again because we're going to make another baguette. And I find using these portion scoops are really handy. You could easily use an ice cream scoop, and I'm just scooping it down. Like that. We're going to make a nice big baguette. You can also make demi-baguettes and bun size. I'm just going to spread that out. Okay. Set that aside, and I'm going to scrape the rest of this out of the bowl. There we go. So now I'm just going to spread this out with my spatula. You can see it's really sticky. And that added stickiness is what's going to allow the flour to rise with the yeast. It's going to make the yeast's job a lot easier. Okay, and that goes there. This is a big baguette. I normally make demi-baguettes, but I thought because I'm making a double, and I'm going to show you how to make the other one, I should make a large size baguette. There we go. I'm going to set this aside, and I've got the same bowl, and I'm going to use a bread mix. Frankie's has put out a gluten-free bread mix, and it makes life so easy. And again, I'm going to leave the information in my website so you can get all the information of where to get that bread mix. And I'm just adding that in there. I'm adding my water, my oil, and I find just adding just a little bit of vinegar helps bring everything up and make it a little bit fluffier. And I'm going to mix this up. So I let that mix up for a good minute and a half, and you can see it's a lot softer because the ingredients in the bread mix, they've made it so that it's a really nice custom blend to make the perfect loaf and the perfect baguette, and that's what makes this so silky smooth and soft. I mean, the all-purpose flour works great, but you look at this bread mix and it takes your bread mix to a whole other level. So I'm gonna scrape down the sides. And I'm going to scoop, starting at the one end. There we go. And I'll go to the other end just to hold the parchment paper in place. And I'm doing nice big scoops here. And let's scrape this off. The last of this out. That looks beautiful. And I'm going to spread this out. That looks beautiful. Now I want to take a brush with a little bit of oil and I just want to lightly brush it just to help keep some of that moisture into the bread. And I'll do the other one. And just so that I don't get one of them mixed up, I'm going to put the bread mix one with a little bit of sesame seeds in it, just so that we can tell the difference. I'm going to let this rise for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to pop it into my preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until they're golden brown and an internal temperature reading of 99 degrees Celsius is read. See you in a moment. These look absolutely amazing. It's actually the first time I've done like an all-purpose, side-by-side, all-purpose and bread mix comparison, and they're amazing looking. I mean, look at them, like they're just gorgeous. I was a little worried when I had them in the baguette pan, because the baguette pan, like the all-purpose flour one was like down to here, I believe, and then the bread mix one was like up to here. I'm like, oh my goodness, it's gonna get huge. And I'm like, because I normally only do demi baguettes, so I like do half and it spreads out a little bit and gets just up a little bit. But these are gorgeous and I can't wait to dig in and see what they're like. So let's start with the all-purpose flour one, because that's the one that we started with. I mean, you can see the crust. Let's just cut into it. Oh, it sounds so good. Okay, are you ready? Let's look. Wow. Oh, it smells good. Oh, let's take an actual slice of this. Oh, look at that. Springy. Got some body. Oh, it's really nice. It has a really nice smell to it. So I've got some fresh garlic here. And I'm going to just crack that open. And my knife, I'll just move that for a moment, because I want to have a little bit of dipping sauce for this. So I'm just going to crack and crush. And I'm going to take that, just drop that right into my olive oil. Okay, now we take a chunk of that. Oh, dip that in. Mmm. Mm. There are so many things in this world that are good, but nothing beats fresh from the oven baked bread. I mean, I love the chewiness, the texture of it. What's nice about this baguette is with the psyllium fiber in it, you wrap it up in a bag once it's fully cooled. You don't want it to create any moisture in there. You wrap it up, it'll be good in a bag on the counter for 2, maybe 3 days, and you'll still be able to slice into it, have sandwiches or slices of it. It's gonna be great. So, I'm gonna set that one aside. Let's see what the bread mix. And it's similar. I mean, it's a little bit smoother looking. It's got a nice spring on the outside. It's a softer outer edge. So let's cut into it. It sounds just as good though when you slice into it. Oh my goodness, look at the air pockets. Oh my goodness, the little pockets of air. Oh, it almost has that sourdough-esque smell. It's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna take a slice of this one. Oh, look at that, the springiness of that. Like I can really move that. Wow, that's great. Okay, I'm gonna give this one a try too. I'm gonna dip it in the oil. It's a super smooth texture. It's chewy. It's wonderful. If you're looking for the recipes or where to get some of these things, you can visit my website at glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and look for next time when I'm making this. Have a great day.